Eva trades.
Hey, good morning. Welcome. It's Tuesday morning, August 29th, and we're going to day trade. Yay, my hands are disappearing above the screen. Oh no. Where'd my hands go? All right, let's go take a look at some charts. Today we're going to trade live as usual, weekday mornings. We're going to look at some technical analysis and some strategies, and here we go. I am such a dork. I was just looking at, there's a delay in the live stream. It's about a 30-second delay. Sometimes it can be up to a minute. And that's why you shouldn't really try to follow me when I'm like, you shouldn't try to trade alongside me, like taking the same trades I do, because usually by the time I'm in and out, you're seeing it after the fact. So there we go. Let's go first thing here, take a look at yesterday's progress. I have a nice green candle, 1 day of nice green profit. So getting a little bit of cushion into phase 4. I'd like to have another green day before I have that pullback, and I know it's coming. I just don't want it to be today. I'd rather have it be later in the week. So I'm going to try really hard today to have a green day. If I do go into the red, I probably won't let it get to my max loss because I don't want to drop back down into phase 3. And today we're starting out pretty slow, so this could be one of those days where I have to be cautious. Looking at the scans today, never mind the ghost behind me. This is all we have. The high of day momentum scanner has DNA on it. Ew. Yeah. Didn't think that one through. DNA, I just want to see what that looked like. Oh, well, why am I not watching that one? That should be my top pick, actually. Yeah, I know what I'm going to do. There we go. So there is 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes till the market opens. DNA, it's got lower range on the candles, but it's a cheaper stock. The float, oh, it's got a really high float. 1.25 billion. So I'm not expecting a lot of movement from that one. I'll have to buy a lot of shares just to make any money, but I'll keep an eye on it. TIVC is at the top of the gap scanner, up 102%. That's nice. So I'm going to be watching that one for sure. Recording. Okay, great. And so the next one down is BIG. That one is also looking somewhat decent, starting to break out. A little light on the volume. Good float. We want a low float. What does that mean? A low float means that there are fewer shares that are available to trade. And so when you have high volume and a catalyst and a lot of traders wanting to trade it, a lot of attention, but very few shares to buy, it can really make the stock move fast. So that's what I look for. Okay, YO. Nope, it gave back most of its move. And OCEA is also kind of pulling back a little bit much. Light on volume, float's nice, price is nice, but I don't think I'm going to be trading that one. So that's pretty much it. Let's look at the market, what the market is doing. As outside this morning, outside my house, we are getting rain for the first time in a long time. And there is lightning crashing and thunder flashing. Or is it the other way around? Anyways, SPY, daily time frame. We had this level up here we were watching last week. We were saying that anything below that is a lower high, and if we lose our hourly uptrend, we know the lower high is set, and we lost our hourly uptrend. We came down into here and we regained our hourly uptrend, and so now we're looking for a possible lower high below this level. We have our support down here, and if we do top out and pull back, this will become an equilibrium with our low, high, higher low, and a lower high. So it would end up being a tightening range. We can actually draw some lines here to represent a triangle pattern. And there you go. And let's go look at the hourly time frame now. If I turn off the extended hours trading, we can see clearly that we had that hourly uptrend, and then we lost our hourly uptrend, broke down the support here. Kind of lost it right here a little bit. Anyways, and then we formed an hourly downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. We bounced from here, and now we're looking for a higher low. We gap filled our gap from yesterday, or 2 days ago, excuse me. And so can we get ourselves a higher low and a higher high? It's a little choppy in here. Bulls would love to hold. Where did it go? Wow, that's big. Bulls would love to hold 440.90 and see a move up to this line at the very least and a break through the resistance above. Let me go back to, what am I looking for here? We'll get it. Apply. Okay, so I got extended hours back on. I don't put as much weight into extended hours because there isn't as much volume, so the price can do weird things. All right, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for that hourly higher low and higher high. If we lose that support level that we marked out here and we drop down today, then we could probably say that our lower high is set and we're expecting a pullback somewhere, above 435. Tightening range and a breakout probably towards the end of the week. Otherwise, if we see continuation, we'll look up at 445.22 and try to see if we can get a break through that level. That's it on SPY. Less than 10 minutes to go till the market opens. I think I've talked too much about the larger market, running out of time here. Hourly inside bar. So we have hourly time frames across the top of my screen and 15-minute time frames across the bottom. We'll take a look at these first. Hourly inside bars here on TIVC. Nice move up. More pullback than I'd like to see, but that's okay. We're still looking pretty good. EMA needs to catch up. So, tightening range here on the 15-minute time frame. So if I'm going to buy this, if I'm going to look to buy this, I could say that maybe, we have a support here. We'll see what it looks like as we get closer to the bell. If we break that, we'll be looking for hourly consolidation. It'll be an inside bar bear break. Otherwise, if we break over the top of this, that would be an interesting trade, I think. And we have resistance here and here. And if we drop down below that, we could look down here at this level. That's $3 psychological. And something down there. We'll see if we pull back that far. BIG, inside bar bull break. The bulls aren't getting any follow through here. But you can see we had that high, low, lower high. Didn't really get a higher low, but we did form support there. And then we broke through. So I'm going to delete this line because it's already been played. We'll take a look at that line on the smaller time frame and see if I want to keep that. On the hourly here, it's an inside bar. It is 15-minute consolidation. So we had a little higher low, lower high, now a lower low. See if the bears get follow through to the downside. So now let's go to the smaller time frames. 5 minutes across the top, 1 minute across the bottom, and we'll see what those lines look like. I do want to draw a little level right here. We have some congestion. That's a lot of lines. I think they're important lines. I'll keep them there. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so that'll work there. And then trying to break out here on BIG, $7.30. Yeah, I've got some pretty good support levels there. And we could put something here, right in that area. Okay, and then over here, 5-minute time frame. We're losing our 5-minute uptrend, but it is kind of a falling wedge. Possibly. Looking like a falling wedge. If we break down further, We have a level here. Oops. We have a level right there. You can see we had that inside bar bull break. Back tested it here and took off. A little higher low, lower high. Okay. So I think that's about it there. We have resistance up here at $2 and 202. And that'll do it for that. I'll set my candle ranges here. I'm going to look up here at the 5-minute time frame, 10 cents. See, 25 cents on that big candle. Yeah, that'll work. 25. I'm doing this down here. And my next stock over is $4 is the highest range. So I will click on not $4, 4 cents. So $5. I'm stuck on dollars. I don't know why. Okay, 5 minutes to go till the market opens. I do have one more over here. This was from yesterday, GNS, and I was looking at the hourly time frame on it. I thought maybe, we had this, could draw a trend here. Had that channel. We had a tightening range. So what we had here was the flagpole and the pennant. So we had a nice looking bull pennant, but we broke bearish. So I'm not as interested in it now as I was, but I'll keep an eye on it. It made some moves yesterday. I'm going to keep that line there actually. And I'll mark out a couple of resistance zones, 230, 237, 248, and we do have something down here and here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, 5-minute time frame, downtrend. I don't know. That could be a later in the day type of thing. Nothing else up on the scanners. So back over here then, I guess. We got a few minutes left. And I'm wondering if we're going to break out over 403. We did have a break here on BIG. Larger time frame. That equilibrium bull break. And you can see on... Oh. What did that look like on the 5-minute? Almost a cup and handle. Okay. Almost too many lines here. So you get the high, higher, low, tightening up. This one might be a good potential for a breakout when we open. Just depends on where it's at. 15-minute time frame there. Candle ranges on that is like 30 cents. I'm going to widen out my candle range just in case I want to play the 15-minute time frame. All right, so we broke on BIG and now we're pulling back. Trying to form a 1-minute higher low and higher high. I'll keep that line there for now, in case we break out and then we pull back to it first thing. I might want to jump in that at that point. Volume on these are pretty light. Yeah, so I'm not as interested in this one first thing since we already broke here. 15-minute time frame. Okay, well, 30 seconds to go. Remember, trading is risky, and to trade your strategy and never blindly follow me or anybody else. And use your stop losses. And let's try to have a successful Tuesday. I'm feeling a little uncertain, so I'm not sure here first thing exactly what I'm going to do. Jumping into TIVC there on that pullback. Was a little late getting in. I'm going to get back out of it. Just take the small loss there. I thought we might bounce right away after that pullback. Volume weighted average price down below here. It's got some volume coming into it. DNA really dropping. I'm going to buy it on the volume weighted average price. If it drops lower than that, I will get out. Okay, I'm back out. I'm going to take that loss. And I don't know if I want to buy it off of this support down here. It would be almost a triple bottom. No volume on BIG yet. I jumped in over here on this support level, off of that support. See if we get any kind of follow through on that bounce. Looking at the larger time frame on this one, we have a resistance up at 204. That's where I'm going to go ahead and just sell it right there. Pulling back on BIG. Oops. You know what? Volume's pretty light on that. Uh-oh, TVIC or TIVC coming back against me here. I'm going to hold it for a bit. Yeah, I just don't like it. I'm getting back out. See how far down we drop. There we go. So I'll try it there. See if we can hold that support. I've been over here on GNS again. We're about to have a new 5-minute candle, so I'm just going to go ahead and flatten it there. EIG. See if we get some follow through on this. We have a high up here at 754. I'm looking for the breakthrough, 754. I'm in 3 stocks at the same time. Now 2. I got out of GNS. Yeah, flatten out of that. Well, can't make up my mind what I want to do here. So that puts my stop loss down at the low of day. I'm back in again over here on GNS. We have a high up here of 214. See if we get the break through 214. Looks good on the 5-minute. We pulled back to that volume weighted average price down here, the dotted line. Well, I'm going to get back out of that. That pulled back way too far. and I'm all out of everything right now. So I'm a little bit over my max loss. That means I'm going to have to stop trading on my day. So today is the day that I'm having a red one. You know, after 8 green days in a row, it was time. I knew it was going to happen, but I was hoping not today. Yeah, I'm a little bit over my max loss. Well, sometimes that's just the way it goes. I mean, it just wasn't working for me today. So I'm going to walk away. I'll come back tomorrow. We'll try it again. It's disappointing, but never like to see that happen. I'll go back and do my trade review, and maybe next time I can do something a little different. But I hope you have a little better luck than I did today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here at Eva Trades. Adios, everybody.